Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal for property related payments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with PayPal for property related payments, start by opening your web browser. Go to the PayPal website at www.paypal.com. On the home page, look for the sign up button and click on it. You will see two options, personal account and business account. Select business account since you will be handling property related payments. Click on next to proceed. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Once you have entered your information, click next again. You will be prompted to provide additional business information. Enter your business name as you want it to appear on PayPal. Select the type of business that best describes your operation. Fill in the required contact information, including your phone number and address. After completing this section, click Continue. You may be asked to link your bank account or credit card for transactions. Choose your preferred option and enter the necessary details. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your bank account or credit card. Once your financial information is linked, hit Continue. Next, review your information to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on Agree and Create Account to complete the registration. You will receive a confirmation email from PayPal. Open the email and click on the link provided to verify your account. After verification, log into your PayPal account with your email and password. Lastly, set up any additional security measures as recommended by PayPal for added protection. Your PayPal account is now ready for property-related payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.